Hi guys, I'm Diana from Deco Destiny, and this is the video about ultimate materials mashup. So 13 plasters and 1 cement are going head to head, and we are going to test them to see which one performs the best considering candles vessels. So this is the last contestant. It has just arrived and I'm going to open it. It's Dentona number 1. That's a pop. Well, we have 2 bags. Big baby. So as I said, there is more than just this one. We also have wheel form, resin 200. There is also jasmonite. Some regular plaster. Also regular plaster. Oh, my bad. This is cement. Modeling plaster. From silicons and molds. We have so A1 powder and liquid. This is GV21. How do I pronounce it? Okay, from Veltman, Italy. So GV350, also from Veltman, Italy. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. And porcelain gifts from Silicons and More. And last but not least, from Carecraft. Oh, this is also big baby. The last one in the lineup. Whew. So we're going to make a video testing them all and seeing who will be the best. I hope to see you then. Like me and subscribe.